See friends, next problem. If a number is increased by 30% and then from the increased number its 30% is decreased, then what is percentage changed in the actual number? See friend, if a number is increased by 30% and then from the increased number its 30% is decreased, then what is the percentage changed in the actual number? See friends, same previous question only. Increased percentage 30 and decreased percentage is 30 by 100. 0 0 cancel 0, then 9 percentage is decreased. See friends, whenever a number increased by 30% and again decreased by the same percentage, then the number always less than the actual number. See friends, whenever a number increased by 30% and decreased by 30%, that means the number increased by some percentage and the decreased by the same percentage, then that number is always less than the actual number. See friends, so this is the 9% is less, 9% less than the actual number. I will tell you. Suppose we don't know the number, we assume it as x. So first what he has done, 30% increased, that means it become 130. Again he reduced 30% from here. 30% 30 percentage of 130 how much? 39. So 130 minus 39 how much? 91. See friend, actual number is 100. After increasing 30% and again decreasing 30%, we got 91. What is the difference? 9%. 9% decreased. So 9% is decreased. Answer is decreased by 9%. See friends, next problem. In a transaction, a broker earns ₹8. If the brokerage is 1 by 8%, then the stock purchased is worth rupees. See friends, in a transaction, a brokerage is 1 by 8%. The broker got 8 rupees. Then what is the stock purchased cost? He is asking. We don't know the stock purchased cost. So cost of the stock, we assume it as x. See friends, on this cost, the broker will get 1 by 8% of the, on this cost, the broker will get 1 by 8% brokerage. That means 1 by 8% of x. This is the actual commission he will get. What is the amount he got finally? 8 rupees. That means 1 by 8% of the cost of the stock is 8 rupees. What is asking? What is the cost of the stock? So 1 by 8% means 1 by 100 into x equal to 8. 1 by 800 into x equal to 8. So x equal to 8 into 800. That means 6400. See friends, cost of the stock is 6400. See friends, we will try it whether 1 by 8% of 6400 is 8 rupees or not. See friends, 1 by 8% of 6400, 1 by 8 into 1 by 100 into 6400. 2 zeros cancel, 8 1 jar, 8 8 jar, that means 8 rupees. Very simple friends. We have to understand the problem. If you understand the problem, straight away we will get the answer. If you are not able to understand the problem, we don't get the answer itself. Stock purchase cost is 8%. Cost of the stock is x. From this cost, he will get the 1 by 8% brokerage. But he got 8 rupees brokerage. So 1 by 8 percentage of the total cost is equal to 8 rupees. Straight away we will get the answer. See friends, next problem. The savings of an employee is 1/5 of his salary. When he changes his savings to 1/6 of his salary, there is a difference of rupees 200. What is his salary? See friends, I will read again. The savings of an employee is 1/5 of his salary. When he changes his savings to 1/6 of his salary, there is a difference of rupees 200. What is his salary? See friends, one employee is there. His monthly savings is 1/5 of his salary. Suddenly he changed his savings to 1/6 of his salary. Then the difference is 200. What is his salary? First we have to calculate the salary. That means we don't know his salary. We have to assume his salary as X. So 1/6 of X, 1/5 of X. See friends, first his savings is 1/5 of his salary. Salary we don't know, we assume it as X. Then he changed it to 1/6 of his salary. 1/6 of his salary equal to 200. This only na he has given. While reading the problem itself, we have to come across this one, this step. Then easily we will get it. What is the LCM of 5 and 6? 30. So 5 6 are 6x, 6 5 are 5x equal to 200. The 6x minus 5x equal to x by 30 equal to 200. Then x equal to 6000. See friends, very easy. First we have to assume the salary is x. The difference between these two, 1/5 of his salary and 1/6 of his salary is 200. This is the equation. We have to solve this equation. We will get it as 6000. See friends, we will check it. What is the 1/5 of the 1/5 of his salary means? Salary is 6000. 5 1 jar, 5 2 jar, 1200. What is the 1/6 of his salary? 6 1 jar, 0 0 0. 1000. What is the difference? 200. This only na he has given here. Simple friends. First we have to understand the problem. What he has given, what we have to find. Then easily we can get the answer. See friends, next problem. Meena, Arun and Gopu divide a sum of rupees 6000 in such a way that Arun gets 1/2 of what Meena gets and Gopu gets 3/4 of what Arun gets. Then what is Arun's share? See friends, Meena, Arun and Gopu divide a sum of rupees 6000 in such a way that Arun gets 1/2 of what Meena gets and Gopu gets 3/4 of what Arun gets. Then what is the Arun's share? See friends, first we assume Meena share is X. See friends, why I taken Meena? He has linked Arun salary to the Arun share to the Gopu share. See friends, Gopu gets 3/4 of the what Arun gets. Arun gets 1/2 of what Meena gets. Meena not linked anywhere here. See friends, here only. But Arun, in both statements Arun is there. So Meena salary we will assume as X. After that Arun how much? Half of the Meena salary, 1/2 of what Meena gets. That means x/2. Then Gopu how much gets? 3/4 of what Arun gets. 3/4 of Arun. See friends, Meena we assume as x, Arun x/2, 1/2 of what Meena gets, and Gopu 3/4 of what Arun gets. These three equal to 6,000. See friends, then x plus x by 2 plus x by 4 into x by 2, sorry 3 by 4, 3 by 4 into x by 2 equal to 6,000. Then x plus x by 2 plus 3x by 8 equal to 6,000. Then go for LCM. What is LCM? LCM is 8. 2 4 sorry here 1 1 8 jar 8, that means 8x plus 2 4 jar 4x, 8 1 jar 3x equal to 6,000. Then total 12, 15, 15x by 80 equal to 6,000. 15 1 jar 15 4 jar 60, 2 zeros. Then x equal to 3,200. See friends, what is x? X is Meena's salary, that means 3,200. What he has asked, what is Arun's salary? That means x by 2, that is 3,200 by 2, that is 1,600. See friends, this is a procedure. We will get straight away while reading the problem itself, straight away we will go to this step. We will assume Meena's salary is x, Arun's salary is x by 2 plus Gopu's salary how much? 3/4 of the Arun's salary. Then 3/4 of Arun's salary equal to total 6,000. See friends, here 8, here 2. The LCM is 8. Here 8x plus 4x plus 3x equal to 6,000. 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15x by 8, 15 4 jar 60, 0 0, cross multiplication, 8 4 jar 32, 3,200. This is Meena's salary. Arun's salary is half of this salary, that means 1,600. Easily we will get it, but we have to understand the problem. While reading the problem itself we have to understand. For that reason only I am reading the problem 2-3 times.